In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Send to OneNote tool on startup in Windows 10. If you've noticed the Send to OneNote tool opening automatically every time your computer starts, it can feel a bit unnecessary, especially if you don't use it regularly. Disabling it from startup is a simple way to keep your system clean and reduce background processes, helping your computer run more smoothly. To begin, make sure your computer is fully loaded into Windows 10. Once you're on your desktop, the first thing you need to do is open the Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on your taskbar and selecting Task Manager from the menu that appears. If the window opens in a simplified view, go ahead and expand it to see all available options. Next, navigate to the Startup tab located at the top of the Task Manager window. This section shows all the programs that are set to launch automatically when your system starts. It also gives you an idea of how each program impacts your startup performance. Scroll through the list of startup programs until you find the entry related to OneNote. It may appear as Send to OneNote, OneNote Tool, or something similar, depending on your version. Once you locate it, click on it to select it. After selecting the program, look toward the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window and click on the Disable button. This action will prevent the Send to OneNote tool from launching automatically the next time you start your computer. Once you've disabled it, you can close Task Manager. The change will take effect the next time your system boots up, so you won't see the tool appear on startup anymore. If you ever decide you need the feature again, you can always return to the same Startup tab in Task Manager and enable it with just a few clicks. This gives you full control over which programs run when your computer starts. Disabling unnecessary startup applications like this is a great habit to maintain a faster and more organized system, especially if you prefer a clean workspace without extra tools launching in the background. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.